If you want a really professional looking motorcycle video, you need to follow these tips. The first shot position is your classic handlebar shot. This works perfectly. Plus with the Insta360 X3 with the really big screen, it gives you very easy access to recording settings, to the record button, and for checking that it's recording. If you would like to see the accessories that I have in more detail, watch my previous video on the top 10 best accessories for your motorcycle. The next mount position is the aerial shot. Now this can be done in multiple ways, whether you use a strap on your back or you mount it to a top box, but I prefer to mount it on the handlebar mount. I can extend it, I can check on it, I can basically see the camera, and I really want that reassurance. On here. And then using a cable tie to secure it here. And that way it's just making it a lot more stable, because it's really concerning when you can't see the camera. Next up is the unicorn shot, which gives a really fantastic perspective. You can achieve that with the Alanza clamp, which is really sturdy. Just put the monopod into position, secure it tightly, and away you go. The final classic shot is the wheel shot, and you can achieve this using a clamp or a mount. In my case, I prefer to use a generic action cam mount. This shot is really great for giving a feeling of speed and also for showing the road conditions. Let's go over a few of the Insta360 settings. If, like me, you don't want a lot of fuss, you don't want to be doing a lot of different settings, by default, the skiing mode works fantastically. It's basically the same as if you were motorcycle riding. So what you've got, high bit rate, I prefer high bit rate. That comes as standard when you put the skiing mode on. I have the sticky lens on. Don't forget that setting, really important. And also make sure that it's on video and not, for example, loop recording, which I have done on previous times, and it's been really a problem because I found that I've lost footage. Active HDR is pretty nice too. I would just use video mode normally. If there's low lighting, you don't want the active HDR setting. Condensation inside the removable lens. These lens protectors are the biggest letdown for the Insta360 X3. Apparently the X2 has a premium lens that can be removed and put back on again. These sticky lenses are really awkward to put on, and the mist fog up easily. They scratch easily, and they reduce the quality of the image. I don't trust myself enough not to use them. So it's a catch-22 situation. I had to remove the lens, clean it, put it back on again, which of course reduces the stickiness and, you know, creates gaps and things. It's really not good. Insta360, come on now. You deserve better.